Seedance 2.0 is incredible, but it has one massive problem. It completely blocks you from uploading images with faces. But I found a really simple fix for this error, so you can upload any face you want without getting blocked. Today, I'm going to show you my exact step-by-step workflow to beat the filter and generate unrestricted AI video. Let's start. Alright guys, let's dive into the Seedance workflow. The very first step is to take your existing character image and upload it right here into Claude. Once your image is uploaded, copy and paste the specific prompt template. Notice how the entire prompt is structured. At the very bottom, I included a simple command. Fill in this prompt using the character from my attached image. I will put this exact template in the description below so you can copy and paste it. Hit enter and Claude will generate the perfect image prompt based on your character. Copy the generated prompt and head over to Nano Banana. Paste this prompt into the box and hit generate. It is easy as that. This will create the exact image style we need to use inside Seedance 2.0. Alright, the generation is complete and we have a few great options. I really like the second one here. I will select it, click download and we are ready for the next step. I also went ahead and generated a second character using the exact same process. Now we need to create our fight scene prompt. Open Claude and upload both of your character images. Paste this entire template into Claude. At the very bottom, add a specific instruction. Make a fight scene between these two characters from attached images using this prompt structure for Seedance 2.0. Maximum 4000 characters. Hit enter and Claude will analyze the images and write out highly detailed fight scene for us. Once it is done, copy the final text. Alright, our Seedance prompt is ready. Now we need to copy our final prompt and bring it over to Dreamina. But before we generate, a quick shout out to this creator on X. I took this exact Seedance prompt template and tweaked it to create this fight scene. A full credit goes to him for the base template. Alright, let's move on. Paste this entire prompt right here into the text box. Next, upload your two character reference images. Once your images are uploaded, we're almost ready. But before we hit generate, let's quickly verify our settings. First, make sure you have the AI video tab selected. Second, confirm that your model is set specifically to Dreamina Seedance 2.0. Third, make sure your reference mode is set to omni-reference. And finally, choose your aspect ratio and duration based on your project. I'm using 16:9 widescreen and I need 15-second clip, so I will log those in. With the prompt pasted and our images uploaded and our settings locked in, simply press generate. As you can see, it works flawlessly. Now we just have to let the AI do its work and I will show you the final result. As you can see, the motion and consistency are absolutely phenomenal. From here, the only thing left to do is to upscale the video for maximum quality, hit download and drop it straight into your project. And that is the complete Seedance 2.0 workflow. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more advanced AI video guides and I'll see you in the next one.